What's good, YouTube? Packages came. Got another unboxing. Yeah, we finna get into it right now. Gotta be scissors and shit. But yeah, this just got delivered about 20 minutes ago. Today is January 22nd. I just shot an unboxing. What was that? Yesterday or 2 days? That was yesterday. On 2 Canada Gooses over there. This is the blue one, probably. But let's get into it. Rip this shit open. And yeah. You got the blue one in the size 3X. I still got 2 North Faces on the way. 2 North Faces, this colorway, this multi-colorway right here. Yeah, we got the Goose, Canada Goose though. The blue patch is a little bit different still. Yeah, this jacket is a size 3X. And the these, yeah, 3X. I ain't gonna take out the bag. I already did a review, especially on the blue one. It was size large, only different. They actually made the quality a little bit better. I think I showed it in one of my videos. But yeah, this jacket already sold. This one in my hand. It just came in. Got packs. I got packs in the whip too, but yeah, that jacket already sold for $350. That jacket actually been sold for like a month and a half now. I ordered the dude who requested it. I ordered him a 2X when I sold the first one, and the jacket didn't fit, and that was around the holiday season and stuff, so the shipping took forever. But I ordered him a 3X, and now I gotta go give it to him for $350. But that's how that goes. And yeah, I got my crib, a white Canada Goose, and North Faces. Working on some shit, but I'm gonna tap in with y'all.